What if learning English could feel like talking to your best friend about your family?
Today, we are going to do exactly that. We will help you talk about your family in English with stories, laughter, and real feelings.
So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's chat like old friends in simple, clear English.
It is a beautiful morning here in New York. The sky is a little cloudy, but the coffee smells amazing. I am sitting here with Aisha, and we are talking about something that connects everyone. Family.
Yes, family. No matter where you are from, everyone has a story to tell about their family. And today, we want to help you tell yours in English.
We will teach you how to describe your family, how to talk about your parents, siblings, and even funny family moments. And we will also share some of our stories from childhood.
Because when you learn English through real stories, you do not just remember the words, you feel them.
Exactly. So let's begin with something simple. Introductions. So, Aisha, when you meet someone new, how do you talk about your family?
I usually say something like, I come from a big family, or I have two brothers and one sister.
Nice and simple. Learners, listen carefully. This is how you can start too. I come from a big family. Can you repeat that with us?
I come from a big family.
Good. Now, if your family is small, you can say, I come from a small family.
Or you can say, there are 4 people in my family.
Yes, that's a really natural sentence. Let's repeat together. There are 4 people in my family.
Perfect. You see, even small sentences like this can help you sound confident in English.
Okay, let's get a little more personal. Aisha, tell us about your family.
All right. I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My parents are kind, hardworking people. My dad loves reading, and my mom is an amazing cook.
I can confirm that. I have tried her food. It is legendary.
Thank you. And what about you, Sibi? Tell us about your family.
Well, my family is smaller. I have one younger sister. My dad used to take us to the park every Sunday. And my mom, she has the warmest smile. Even now, when I am far from home, I can still hear her voice calling, "Dinner's ready!"
Aw, that is so sweet. You see, everyone has those little family memories that stay forever.
Exactly. And learners, when you talk about your family, you can use simple structures like, my father is, my mother is, I have a brother, I don't have any sisters.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. My father is kind. My mother is funny. I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
Nice! You're doing great. Now let's make it more interesting. We will share one funny story each from our childhood.
Okay, I will go first. When I was about 7 years old, my brothers decided to teach me how to ride a bicycle. I was so excited. But they forgot to tell me one thing: how to stop.
Oh no!
Yes, so I kept going, faster and faster, and I crashed into a bush. My mom came running out, shouting, "Aisha, are you okay?" I had leaves in my hair and grass all over my face, but I just said, "I did it!"
That's such a classic first ride story. Mine is a bit different. I was around 6 years old. My dad bought me a small toy keyboard, those tiny ones with animal sounds,
Oh, yes.
and I thought I was a music genius. So I played it all day, every single button. After 2 hours, my mom looked at me and said, "Sabiha, maybe take a break?"
I can imagine that. You were probably so proud of your concert.
Yes, I was. But you know, those little moments, the noise, the laughter, the chaos, they make a home feel alive.
True. Family is not about being perfect. It is about love, comfort, and memories.
And that's the feeling we want you, our learners, to express in English.
All right, let's practice together. I will ask you some questions you can answer out loud, even if you are alone. Who is in your family? Good. Now try this. How many brothers or sisters do you have? And what does your father do? What about your mother?
Nice! You are doing amazing. Now let's practice full sentences, slowly. There are 5 people in my family. I have 2 brothers. My mother is a teacher. My father works in a bank.
Perfect. All right, if you want to sound more natural, remember, English is like music. You don't just speak it, you feel the rhythm.
Yes, don't worry about being perfect. Just speak slowly with a smile.
Let's talk about daily life at home. Sabi, when you were a kid, what was a normal day like in your family?
Mornings were busy. My dad read the newspaper while my mom made breakfast. I used to run around trying to find my shoes. After school, we all had lunch together. Then in the evening, we watched TV, usually a comedy show.
That sounds so warm. In my family, mornings were noisy too. Everyone was rushing. My brothers fighting over the bathroom, my mom shouting, "Hurry up, you will miss the bus."
That sounds familiar. Learners, you can describe your routine like this. In the morning, my family eats breakfast together. In the evening, we watch TV. At night, we talk before sleeping.
Exactly. Try saying that now. In the morning, my family eats breakfast together. In the evening, we watch TV. At night, we talk before sleeping.
That's beautiful English. See, you're already speaking naturally.
Now, let's describe our family members. This is one of my favorite parts. For example, my dad is funny. My mom is caring. My sister is creative.
And learners, you can use adjectives to describe your family. For example, my dad is calm. My mom is strong. My sister is smart and also a bit bossy.
I can relate. Learners, you can use adjectives to describe your family. Repeat after us. Kind, funny, caring, smart, helpful, creative.
Now, let's make sentences. My father is kind. My mother is funny. My brother is helpful. My sister is creative.
Very nice. You can also talk about what you love most about your family. For example, I love that my family always supports me.
Or, I love that we laugh together every day.
Beautiful. Because that's what makes a family special. The small things.
You know, Aisha, when I think about my family, I remember not just what we did, but what they taught me.
Like what?
Well, my dad always said, be kind, even when no one is watching. That stayed with me. And my mom used to say, no matter what happens, eat something first.
That's such a mom thing to say.
I know, but honestly, she was right. Food fixes a lot of problems.
In my family, my parents always told us to stick together. No matter where life takes us, we always stay close.
That's beautiful. Learners, here's how you can talk about lessons from your family. My parents taught me to work hard. My family taught me to be honest. My father always says to never give up.
Good job. Now you try. Say something your family taught you. Nice. You sound great.
See, It's not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about emotion. When you speak with feeling, your English becomes real.
Do you ever think about how family shapes who we are?
All the time. Like, when I was little, my sister used to make me act in her pretend plays. She'd say, "Okay, Sabi, now you're the doctor," or "Now you're the detective."
Oh no, poor you.
Yeah, but you know what? Maybe that's why I love storytelling now. It started right there, in our living room.
That's amazing. For me, it was family dinners. Every night we'd all sit together and talk about school, about dreams, about everything. Those talks made me love conversation. Real, honest talk.
That's so true. Learners, you can share memories like this in English too. Try this structure. When I was a child, my family used to, or I remember when my family and I.
Let's repeat together. When I was a child, my family used to go to the park. I remember when my family and I traveled together.
Perfect. And hey, tell us in the comments, what's one beautiful memory you have with your family? We'd love to read it.
Every family has special traditions, right? Something they do every year or every weekend.
Yes, like in my family, every Friday night we had movie night. We'd make popcorn, dim the lights, and argue for 10 minutes about which movie to watch.
Classic! In my family, it was Sunday lunch. My mom would cook something special, my dad played old songs, and everyone had to be home. No excuses.
That sounds wonderful. Learners, you can describe your traditions like this. My family always eats dinner together on weekends. Every summer, my family goes on vacation. Every holiday, we visit our grandparents.
Repeat after us. My family always eats dinner together on weekends. Every summer, my family goes on vacation. Every holiday, we visit our grandparents.
Excellent. Remember, speaking English is not just about talking, it's about sharing.
Let's do a small role play. You can practice with us.
Yes, imagine you meet someone new. Aisha will play as Anna, and I'll play as Tom. You can join as yourself. Ready?
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. What about you?
I'm from London. Do you have a big family?
Not really. There are 4 people in my family. My parents, my sister, and me.
That's nice. What does your father do?
He's a teacher, and my mother is a nurse.
Oh, that's lovely. My dad works in an office, and my mom is a chef.
Learners, now it's your turn. Try answering these questions out loud. How many people are in your family? What does your father do? What does your mother do? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
That's great practice. And don't worry, even if your sentences aren't perfect yet, keep speaking. You're improving every time you talk.
Ayusha, what did your family do on weekends when you were a kid?
Oh, weekends were special. We usually went to the park or had picnics. Sometimes we played badminton in the backyard.
That sounds so fun. My family often visited my grandparents. My grandmother always had sweets ready. And my grandfather told the same stories again and again, but we loved listening.
Oh, that's so sweet. Learners, to talk about weekend activities, you can say, "My family likes to go out on weekends. We visit our grandparents every Sunday. We spend time together at home."
Let's repeat these together. My family likes to go out on weekends. We visit our grandparents every Sunday. We spend time together at home.
Perfect pronunciation. And if you want to sound more natural, you can add feelings. I love spending time with my family. It's always fun when we're together, let's talk about something important: how to express love for your family.
Yes, sometimes it's not easy to say it, even in our own language. But in English, it can be simple. You can say things like, I love my family very much. I'm thankful for my parents. My family means everything to me.
Let's say those slowly together. I love my family very much. I'm thankful for my parents. My family means everything to me.
Beautiful. You see, simple words, big feelings.
Yes. And remember, you don't need perfect grammar to express love. You just need to speak from your heart.
Okay, Ayusha, time for something funny. Every family has at least one crazy story.
Oh, yes. Once, during a family trip, we got lost. My dad insisted he knew the way, but we ended up at a goat farm.
That's amazing. I can totally imagine that. For me, it was when I tried to cook for my family once. I wanted to make pasta, but I forgot to drain the water.
So it was more like soup?
Exactly. But my mom still said, it's delicious, because moms are just like that.
True. That's what makes families so special. They love you even when you mess up. You know, Sabi, our viewers come from so many countries. India, Brazil, Japan, Egypt, everywhere.
Yes, and families around the world are different, but also very similar. In some cultures, families eat together every day. In others, grandparents live in the same home.
Exactly. So learners, when you talk about your family, don't worry if it's different. Your story is unique, and that's what makes your English conversation interesting.
You can say, in my culture, families are very close. Or, in my country, we visit our grandparents often.
Beautiful. So be proud of your story. It's your English voice.
Let's take a deep breath. Think of your family, your parents, your siblings, your grandparents. Now, imagine telling their story in English.
You can do it. You already know how to say who's in your family, what they do, what you love about them, and what memories you share.
Yes. And when you speak with emotion, people feel your story, even if your English isn't perfect.
Exactly. Remember these key sentences. There are 5 people in my family. My father is kind. My mother is caring. I have 2 brothers. We love spending time together.
And most importantly, I'm thankful for my family.
You did amazing today. You learned how to talk about your family in English with love, laughter, and real emotion.
Yes. And remember, practice every day. Tell your story, even to yourself. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us about your family. Who's in it? What do you love about them? And what's one fun memory you have?
And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Because learning English is easier when you do it together, just like family.
Thank you for spending time with us today. We're proud of you.
And we'll see you in the next conversation. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and stay connected.